Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. As I promise you always, when I buy some accessories for my Tesla Model 3, useful accessories, I will make a separate video. I had a few comments from you that I pay a lot of money for accessories, but it's not like that, because all the accessories that I buy for Model 3, there are useful accessories. They are not just bling bling and crazy stuff. There are just useful stuff that will protect the car, or yeah, they're extremely useful. Today I have also free accessories from accessory, and those are the last one. Okay, so now I hope you're happy, I mean some of you, and they're very useful. This is the protection for the screen. I will show you for both of the screens. It's one big in the front and one in the back. This one here, it's a grille, exactly how I brought this grille down here, which is still fit very nice. And to be honest, I didn't find any difference in terms of consumption. I have it for 1 week now, and in this time I didn't find any disadvantage. I also washed the car one time yesterday, and I noticed that it's washing very good. Also, if you don't take out the grills, I didn't take the grills out, I just wash it like that. So for those of you that saw the video before with this grill, also I brought it from accessory. The video is on the channel, so you can see how it is in that video. And then I have another grill for here in this area. I will show you. I will take this plastic out. This is from where the air will come inside for the air conditioning, and it's very for the AC, and it's very important because this one will hold outside all the insects and leaves and debris and big stuff. And then of course, finally, between the last accessories, I have this protection for the sun, so which will cover the glass roof, which is so important in the summer. Now it's not so warm, even though we are in the middle of the summer. This summer was not so hot, which is very important. Was also a lot of raining, which is great. But now it can be hot from tomorrow because I will have this protection for the sun. And I will install all of those, and I will show you how they look. And also I will leave the link in the description. If you want to buy some of those, the link will be in the description. Let's get to the work. We have to take out this plastic from here, and then we can put this one. This is the first one, which is outside, so we will put this grill first. So let me show you how it looks. This is how it comes in the package from accessory. So it looks quite nice, and this plastic with a grill here in the middle, so for insects and all that stuff of debris will stay around here. But first of all, we have to take out this plastic, which is on clamps, and it comes out really easy. So it has some plastic clamps around here. All right, so now we take it out. You can see the clamps in the back. This is how it looks. I just take it out in order to show you how it looks under it. So you can see it's a big hole right here where it can come a lot of debris, dust, little stones, and a lot of stuff. And we don't want to have many things inside here. That's why we have this small protection grill, which will come over this one here. Will come over this. So you don't have to take out all the plastic. I just take it out because I want to show you how it looks under this area. The idea is that you install it very simple. You don't have to do anything. You just open the hood and then you put it just like that over it. And then that's it. Super simple. And then it will protect all this area from debris and all that stuff. You can see those plastic clamps around here. All you have to do is just push it down. This is how it looks when you put it in. It looks really original. It's very important to be protected so you don't have to see there stones or leaves or whatever, dust and stuff like that. So it looks really good. It looks really original. If you look from the distance, it looks like the car came like that. So from my point of view, this is a very useful little accessory that you could buy for your car in order to protect all that area there from big elements and big stuff. Now let's go inside to the screen. This is the glass. Let's take it out. We have two glasses that we have to install. One is small for the back. This is how it comes in the package. It looks good. One is in the back, this small one, which we will install in the end. And one is for the front. So this one basically it's for the back screen, which is important because sometimes some people will stay in the back and then yeah, they can hit the screen, so that will protect it. And this one here, it's for the front, which will basically come like this right here.
Remember when we drive for hours just to see where roads would lead. Windows down and radio up, the world was all we'd ever need. You'd point out things I never noticed, old barns leaning in the fields. I was looking straight ahead then, missing everything that's real. Now I take the same routes daily, eyes fixed on the dotted lines, past the same houses, same faces, never really taking time.
So now we are done. It's almost perfect. I'm happy with it because last time I remember when I had the Tesla Model 3, I have my phone, and when I want to put my phone down, I just hit with my phone upper part here in this area, I remember now, and I scratch and I broke the protection for the screen. That's why I also did want to have this protection, because you never know when you hit it with your phone or whatever, and then you don't want to have your screen scratch and replace because it's quite expensive. But yeah, it looks nice, was relatively okay and easy to put it over, and it looks also good. And now I want to show you, because we are in screen clean mode, because on black you can see a little bit better, on bright you barely see something. The good part is that it's pretty responsive, so you can also use it exactly as you would use the normal screen. So yeah, basically it's the same thing as you would use the normal screen, so it's not a huge difference from this point of view. So yeah, pretty good, and important that will protect your screen. Let's go to the back one. Let's install this small screen for the back, and this is how easy it is. You just have to put it around here, just like that. This is, from my point of view, even more important, because you never know who's in the back here, and then you will want to have something here to protect this screen, because it's even lower and it's easier to hit with your foot. And if you have kids, even more, you need something to protect the screen. I have also still the foil over it, which is important, because I just take it out and then I put this new one, and then it's much more easier. I don't have to stress about cleaning the screen.
But I can't see your face, and the tide goes out, and the tide goes out, and the tide goes out, everything goes out.
Let's go to the fun part. The most important part from my point of view is the protection for the sun, so we can drive also in the very hot summer weather. Here we have all those protection for the panoramic glass roof, and the good part is that you can see on this area it has this silver coating that comes on the exterior of the window. And this silver coating, from what I understand, there are like 99% UV protective, or it will also protect you from UV, which is important, not only the sun and the light, but also the UV, which is super cool. So yeah, I'm really curious about that, because this one I think will protect also the temperature inside, will hold the climatic system, will not have to run as powerful as it is when you have that sun hitting your car. This is the back part, so you have to check it first, but it's very simple. All you have to do, you just take it, put it up, and you have also those plastic clamps which will come here to hold it a little bit better. So you take this part, you see this reflective silver coating, which will come on the upper side, just like that. And this is the position. Let me show you. Push it a little bit, and you can see it almost stays even without those plastic clamps. It's not covering the back window, and this is very important because you still want to have some good view, but it's covering most of the part here where the people will basically stay. You know, if you stay here, if someone in the back, it will basically protect you from the sun from above, which is very, very, very important from my point of view. And it looks pretty good, and I like that this gray color, it's kind of the same color as the interior of the car. It's not perfectly the same, but almost perfectly the same. So this will be super important. And then the other one will come, of course, just in the front. Let me show you exactly the same. So you have the silver coating that comes above. You see the silver coating, and that will come all the way up, just like that. Super, 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 super simple. And then you put that plastic clamps, and then, but this one, I noticed that this one, it's fitting even better here. Yeah, just like that. Oh, and then you're protected from the sun, even though today we have to be protected from the rain. And then we put those plastic clamps, and you take those plastics. Let me show you. Let me open this. You take it like that, simple as that, and then all you have to do, you just put it in, just like this, you see? And now it will hold around there. So it's very simple. You have to take every single part, you know, just like that on the exterior, and then you put it in just like that. I'm not sure if you can see it, and then you put it over, so it will hold here pretty well, and you don't even see it. It's very smart, very, very, very smart made. And then of course we put it all over in the front, all over in the back, and this will be the result.
I'm here alone, and the tide goes up, and the tide goes up, and the tide goes up.
In the front, the same story. We have 4 or 5. We still have 5. So we have one in the front, then you have one here in the back, on the side 2, and you can put also 2, depend how you want it. But it's relatively simple to put. You put it in like that, just turn it, and then that's it. It's super simple. In the back, all the same story. I think you put it here, just like that, and then it comes over this plastic there. So simple as that. And on the side is the same story. I think for me it's much more important to have this front end covered than the rear end, but both of them will help in time. So put it like this. So let me put it in, and then turn it around. Let me turn it just like that, and then here. And now it stay quite good in place. And also I can, you know what, I can also put 2 of them in the front. Maybe I can put one here, maybe I can put another one here, and just like that. So it's perfect. And then another one there. That's the last one. So we put it on this side, just like that. Turn it around, and boom, that's it. Now it should hold it pretty well. I can move this in the middle, just like that, and that's it. It's also definitely kind of stay automatic as well a little bit, so you can stretch it out. This one is much better than the one in the back. To be honest, this one, it stays better, even though it's not perfect, but it's much better, and it will protect you in the summer pretty well. So yeah, they're very useful stuff, at least for the summer. In the winter we can take it out, but for the summer they're quite fine. So guys, that was all. We installed it. I think for the summer will be super useful with them. They're not extremely, let's say, perfect fitted, but they're more than fine. I'm super happy, and I can't wait to test it in 40 degrees in August, I guess. For me, they're super useful, at least for the summer. I will hold it like that. Also, the screens are great, the protection for the screens, and also the grille is great. I think those are all the accessories that I will get for my car. I think it's more than enough. I have everything I need here. I mean, all the accessories that I get for my car, they're just made to protect the car. I don't take the accessories like fancy, crazy stuff. I just take the ones that are super useful. So yeah, if you want to buy some of them or one of them, I will leave the link in the description. Also check out, I have a few videos on the channel to see all the accessories that I brought from my Tesla Model 3 and what I think it's super useful to have. And yeah, I hope those videos were useful. If you have questions, ask me down below. Stay close, and we see you soon in the next one. Bye guys.
Feel soft, yet hold you tight. Can you touch the dash? Feel the light. Is the multimedia screen big and clear? Can you trust the tech to steer you near? Does the air flow smooth through vents? Is the comfort